Here we're having a look at the ESR kickstand case. Now this is for the iPhone Pro 14 Max, which you can have a look at. We'll set it up. So you can get other ones for different phone models as well. And there we are on the back. So this is actually shockproof, shock absorbent, and makes the phone waterproof as well. We've actually dropped it a few times on my other phone. It actually did survive. So we know this works. So here is the case here. So to start with, we've got the guide, how to set it up, which I'll show you guys shortly. A bit about how to do the phone, the actual case itself. So there's the front and the back case, and here's the phone we've got now. You can see the phone's actually already been smashed. So guys, maybe put it on before that happens. We'll have to replace the screen. So now we're going to go and set it up. So let's do that now. So start with, the instruction guides are very, very good as well about how to do it. And we'll talk to you guys through it right now. So, okay, now we're going to use a wet wipe to actually go and wipe down the screen to make it look nice. This is a wet wipe and also a dry cloth as well. So go into the phone and wipe them all down. Make sure you get all those little marks off so it's all nice and ready. And then what you do is you grab the phone and we put on the lens cases. Now, these lens covers sit on there. As you can see, you apply it down, you press it down and hold it. And what it does is it sticks to it. I do it a couple of times here because there's a couple of air bubbles in there. They sit on there and those lens covers are right against the phone, which is great. Now we're going to put the front case on. So make sure you wipe it all down so it's all nice and clean. And that's as simple as literally applying it to the front of it like that, sticking it on there. And there you go. And now we're going to put the back part on there as well. So make sure that's all clean too. Apply it to the back and there you go. You've got it completely covered. So there you have a shockproof phone case. As I said, I dropped this previously. It didn't hurt it at all. This case protects you from shocks. It won't protect you from water, but it does protect you from dropping on the floor. I dropped it onto a tile floor. It bounced back up and there was no damage done to mine. Not that I recommend you guys do that, but this is a great shockproof case.